everyone, I'm Lady Jones with Cat in a Hammock, your outdoor living design and build construction company. We help homeowners transform their boring backyards into extraordinary outdoor living spaces. And today I want to walk you through a cozy and traditional backyard that we designed and built in Ventura, California. This used to be an ordinary backyard in Ventura, like so many homes have that have seen some life, built 20, 30 years ago. Not much has been done to it, and now it's time to make it beautiful. What the homeowners wanted to have is a large dining area because they have a large family and do gatherings for about 10 people. Of course, they wanted to have some seating for a living room. The wife wanted to have something fun to do, like a fire pit, some place to gather around. First, what we did is there was already an existing pergola that was seen some better days that needed to be remodeled and replaced. We replaced it with a natural wood color stain so that it pops and it brings a little bit of that red color to it, so it stands out and doesn't blend in with the rest of kind of the brown color schemes of the yard. Under the pergola, there is a beautiful 10-seater table that fits perfectly, and right next to it is a cozy outdoor living space that's also in the shade. So this is a great place to sit during the day when you don't want sun and it's nice and shaded. And what was important to the husband is to have his outdoor kitchen and a fun place to grill and have people hang out with him and also be in the shade. What the wife wanted, she said, okay, well, if you're getting the barbecue and your outdoor kitchen, I really would like a fire pit. The husband, didn't really see a need for a fire pit, but because he was getting the kitchen and the wife wanted the fire pit, they settled on getting the fire pit. Afterward, the husband confessed that the fire pit was a fabulous addition to their project because after they have dinner with their friends, they just sit here for hours till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, and they enjoy the conversations, and it's definitely a highlight of the evening to gather around. So the fire pit is custom built, it's rectangular. The stone matches the planter wall that's behind me. It has a rustic look to it, a split face. It's very comfortable to also sit on, to put some drinks on, and it creates lots of seating around it. Homeowners say that when they have larger parties, they just pull up more chairs and sit around it and can spend hours here talking. One of the items that I wanted to mention is separating the spaces so that each becomes its own ecosystem of things to do. So even though this is one large space, we wanted to create these little nooks. And to separate the barbecue and the outdoor kitchen, I wanted to highlight these little hedges here. So they separate the living room from the kitchen. It's kind of like a wall, but it's green. So we did it here, and then there's another one right here that separates the fire pit area from the kitchen. So this becomes its own little corner. So it feels like a room. And now let's take a closer look at the outdoor kitchen. So a few criteria that were important for the homeowner in terms of designing this outdoor kitchen was to make sure that there was a shade over the outdoor kitchen, so while they're grilling and hanging out, and then there was at least 4-seater area for the guests. So this outdoor kitchen is an L shape. It has a raised bar with a backsplash, and there are 4 people that can comfortably sit here and have their own space to eat. And then on the other side, there's plenty of space for the cooking and lots of countertop. This pergola provides a shade all over the counter. The structure of the outdoor kitchen is finished with cultured stone and stucco. Outdoor kitchen includes a refrigerator, a sink, stainless steel drawer and access door under the grill, a 32-inch premium grill, and it also has outlets on the side, so in case you want to plug in any appliances or a mixer. And then it also has a under-counter light for the evening to make this area a little more dramatic and interesting looking. I hope you found this video helpful. in getting some ideas of what you can do to create cozy spaces in your backyard. If you're looking to design and build something in your backyard, please visit our website at catinahammock.com and request a free design consultation. And once again, if you want to see more videos like this, please click a subscribe button and the notification icon and share this video with your friends and family. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.